Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage language challenges with HelloTalk easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, download and install the HelloTalk app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create a free account. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or social media accounts. After logging in, you will see the home screen displaying your feed. From here, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Use this feature to find language partners based on the languages you want to learn and the languages you speak. When you find a potential partner, send them a friend request. Once they accept, you can start chatting through text, voice, or video. To make conversations easier, utilize the translation feature within the chat. Highlight the text you want to translate, then select the translate option. This will help you understand messages in a foreign language more clearly. You can also correct your partner's messages by tapping on the text and selecting correct. This feature allows you to provide helpful feedback. Additionally, HelloTalk has a voice message option to practice pronunciation. Feel free to send voice notes and ask for corrections in return. Participate in language exchange through the video call feature for real-time speaking practice. Use the Moments tab to share your thoughts and connect with a larger community. Don't hesitate to comment on others' moments to engage and learn from their experiences. Set personal language goals within the app to track your progress. Make sure to utilize the HelloTalk community for tips and language learning resources. Take your time and be patient with yourself as you learn. With consistent practice, managing language challenges will become more comfortable. Now you're ready to start your language learning journey with HelloTalk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.